fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics. In the previous two classes, YouTube and Zoom classes, we learned exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Today we are going to see place value exercise 1.3. Okay children, now see, compare each pair of numbers, put greater than or lesser than in the circle. Okay children, see, greater than means always the mouth will be like wide open. This is called lesser than, and greater than, sorry children, it will be greater. The wide open is called greater than, and this one is called lesser than. This one is called lesser than. Understood children? This is greater sign and this is lesser sign. You should not be confused. The first sum, see, 475, here 547. So what you have to do children? See, 475 is what? Lesser than 547. Understood children? The wide open should be always facing the bigger, greater number. The wide open always should face the greater number. So 475 is lesser than 547. Understood children? Likewise the second sum, 829 and here 836. Can you guess children which is greater number? Yes, 836 is greater number. So what sign we have to put? This. Okay children, 829 is lesser than 836. Okay. Coming to the third sum, how we have to read children? 2,74,369. 2,74,369. And coming to this one, 2,35,782. So when you read which is bigger number children, here 2,74,000. Here 2,35,000. So which is lesser children? This is lesser. So 2,74,369 is greater than 2,35,782. Understood children? And coming to the fourth one, 7,346. 7,346. 7,410. See here 346, here 410. So which is bigger number, greater number? This is greater number. So we have to 700 and 346 is what we have to put? This sign we have to put. Understood children? Okay, see it's lesser than 7,410. And coming to the fifth one, 53,821. 53,821. Here, see here 53,000 is there. But here what they have given? 5, only 4 digit is there. Here 5 digit is there. That also you have to notice. See here 5,392. So automatically see here only 4 digit and here 5 digit is there. So what you have to do? You have to 53,821 is greater than 5,392. Okay children? And the sixth one, 9,346. 9,346 and here what you have to write children? 10,000. Here 9,000. Here 10,001. So what sign will come children? 9,346 is lesser than 10,001. So okay children, these three sums will you do children? I will write homework. So what you have to do children? These three sums you have to do and send it to me. Understood? I will send you this. What are the sums I am working out here? I will be sending you in the WhatsApp so that it will be very easy for you. Only few children are sending. Okay children, these three sums homework. Now we will see the B1. Rewrite the numbers in ascending order. You have to listen. Ascending means what children? All of them would have learnt in 3rd standard also. Ascending means what? Smaller number to bigger number. Smaller number to bigger number. That is ascending order. So the first sum, read 6,767. Here 97,676. Here 5,454. Here 4545. First what you have to do? See here how many digit is there, children? Here 4 digit. Here 5 digit. So you leave it first. Here also 4 digit. Here also 4 digit. So first what you have to do? You have to see that. See this number. Here 6. Here 5. Here 4. So which is smaller number, children? Which is smaller number? 4 is smaller number, isn't it? So you can write 4, 5, 4, 5. And the second smallest is what? 5. 5, 4, 5, 4. 5,454. Then 6,767. And last what will come? This one. 97,676. Okay? 97,676. Understood, children? Likewise only you have to find out so that it will be very easy. See, coming to the second sum, 13,421. Here also how many digits is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3,142, 3,214, and here also 5 digits. So first 5 digit you will keep it aside, because first you have to write what number? Smaller number. So when compared to the smaller number, what your first number is? What? Here 3, here also 3. So you can't find out. Then you have to see the second number. See here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Then which number you have to write, children? Automatically you have to write this one. 3,142. 3,142, and then this number. 3,214. Now what you have to do? You have to see this. You have to compare these two numbers. These 5 digit numbers. See here, first number, here 1 is there. Here what number is there? 3 is there. So automatically what you have to write, children? This one only. Here 13,000. Here 33,000. So what you have to write? 13,421, and here 33,244. So you can see smaller number to bigger number, smaller number to bigger number. And the third one, again see here 75,510, and here 3 numbers comes under 4 digit, here 5 digits. So first you have to see these numbers. Understood? 1, 2, these 3 numbers. See here first number, see 5, 5, 5. You can't find. Then next number also see the same number. You can't find. So you have to go to the tens place. Here 0 is there. Here 1 is there. Again 0 is there. See here also in tens place 0, and here also tens place 0. So what you have to do? In these two sums you have to first find out. Here 1 is there. Here 0 is there. So what you have to write, children? You have to write 5,500 first. 5,500, and then 5,501, and then you have to write this number. 5,515, and then you have to write this 5 digit number. 75,510. Understood, children? Okay, I think you have understood, and these two sums are homework. These two sums are homework. Don't think, oh, Miss is giving always homework, because you all are at home, isn't it, children? So you are doing or not, we couldn't find out. So you have to practice at home. For that reason only I am giving homework. Don't hesitate to do the homework. Understood, children? And then now coming to C1, rewrite the numbers in descending order. Descending order means what, children? Greater number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number. Ascending means smaller number to bigger number, and descending means bigger number to smaller number. So first one, see 42,474. How many digit is there? 5 digit. Here 4 digit. Here also 4 digit. Here also 5 digit. So what you have to do, children? You have to compare this number next. First you have to compare these two numbers only, because first you are going to write what number? Greater number. So what you have to do? See here also 4, here also 4. No, you can't find out. Then here 2, here 7. So which is greater number, children? 2 or 7? 7 only, isn't it, children? So you have to write that number so that it will be very easy for you to identify and write. So 47,315, 42,474, 74, and then now you have to compare these two numbers. See here 1 is there, here 3 is there. So which is greater number, children? This is the bigger number, isn't it? 3437, and then you have to write 1744. Understood, children? Yes, the same thing here also. Second sum, here 5 digit, here 4 digit. So automatically you have to write this 5 number only first. 12,059. 12,059. Now you have to compare these three numbers. See here 2, here 2, thousands place 2 is there. And in the hundreds place here 5 is there, here 9 is there, here 1 is there. Very easy. So which is bigger? 5, 9 or 1, children? 9, isn't it? So we have to write 2905, and then you have to write 2509, and then 2109. I hope you all have understood. Listen carefully, children. Don't avoid watching everything. Some of them will be what they will do. They won't watch the YouTube videos, isn't it, children? See here 4 digit 8009, and here 5 digit number. Here 8000 is there, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. See, first you have to see here 5 digit number, here 6 digit number is there. So what you have to write, children? This is bigger number, isn't it? 8 lakh. What? 8 lakh 1882. So this is the biggest number. So you have to write first 8 lakh 1882. Okay. And the next one, what you have to do? 5 digit number. This is bigger number. 81,025. 81,025. And then see here, when you compare this 4 digit number, here same number 8, 0, 0. Here also hundreds place 0, tens place 0. But in ones place, can you see? Here 9 and here 0. So what you have to do, children? You have to write 8009 and then 8000. Okay, children, you have understood. You know the difference between ascending and descending order, children. And see, in descending also 2 sums I gave for homework. In descending also I gave 2 sums for homework. Okay, children, we see the next exercise. Today I am going to take 1.3 and 1.4 also. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now we are going to see exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. Only 2 Roman letters are A and B. So only I am teaching you now itself. Okay, children. Write the greatest and the smallest number. Okay, children. Write the greatest and the smallest number. Okay. So here digits, greater number and smallest number they have given. See here 4, 2, 7, 6, 3. So from this number, see they have given how many digits? 5 digits they have given. We have to, with this digits, you have to form the greater number and the smallest number. So can you say, children, which is the biggest number here? 7. So you have to write 7 first. And then which is the biggest number? 6. And then which is the biggest number, children? 4. And then which is the biggest number? 3. And then which is the biggest number? Then you have to write that. So 76,432. So while coming to the smallest number, it's very easy. So what you have to write? 23,467. You have to write as it. Okay, children, from the behind. 23,467. And likewise coming to the second one, how many digits here? 2, 1, 3, 7, 8. So which is the biggest number, children? 7. Again 7. It's no 7, 8. Which is the biggest number, children? 8. And then which is the biggest number? 7. Then 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So 87,321. So smallest number, what you have to write? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. So 12,378. 12,378. Understood, children? Okay. And coming to the third sum. Coming to the third sum. 5, 0, 3, 1, 7, 4 is given. So here what we have to do, children, which is the biggest number? 7. Which is the biggest number? 7. And then 5. And then what will come, children? 4, 3, 0. So 75,430. 75,400. Okay, children, I missed out 1. So what you have to do, children? 1, 0. 7, 5. So what will come? 7,54,310. 7,54,310. So while coming to the smallest number, what you have to write? You should write 0, 1. No, 0 has no value. So you should not write 0 first. Understood, children? So in that case, what you have to write? You have to write the second number, which is 1. Which is smallest number? 1. So 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 7. So 1,03,457. Understood, children? While the 0 is last, means when you come to the smallest number, you should not write the 0 first because it doesn't have value. So you have to write the second only. You have to write in the second place. 1,03,457. And coming to the fourth one, so what they have given? 8, 6, 2, 5, 9. So which is bigger number, children? 9. 9, then 8, then 6, then 5, and then 2. So 98,652. So here 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. So 25,689. And here, see which is the, see here 6 digits are there, isn't it, children? So which is the biggest number? 9, 8, 5, 3, 1, 0. So 9,85,310. So while again, children, be careful while writing the smallest number. What you have to do? You have to write 0? No, you have to write 1. 1, 0, 3, 5, 8, 9. So 1,03,589. Understood, children? Are you thorough? Okay. Now we'll go to the B1. See, listen, write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using the given digits. See, here they have given some digits. From that you have to form what? 5-digit number you have to form. See, here only 4 digits are there, but you have to form what? 5-digit you have to form here. So you see here 3, here 2, here also 3, here 2 they have given. But you have to form what? The greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers you have to form. So see here 3, 7, 1, 4 is there. So which is the greatest number, children? First 7. So what you have to do? You have to repeat the number. So to see here 4 digit is there. So to form the 5-digit number, what you have to do? You have to repeat the greatest number. So here you see 7, 7, 4, 3, 1. 7, 7, 4, 3, 1. Understood, children? So likewise to the smallest number means what you have to do? You have to repeat the smallest number. You have to repeat the smallest number to form the 5-digit number. So 1, 1. 1, 1, 3, 4, 7. You should not write 7, 7. If you write like this, means it will wrong. See, no one should write 1, 3, 4, 7, 7. You should not write like this. This is wrong. Understood, children? So you have to repeat in the smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest number, and the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest number to form the 5-digit number. See the second one, see 250, only 3 digits are there, but you have to form 5 digits. So what you have to do, children? You have to repeat the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? 5. So you have repeated 3. See 5, 5, 5, then 2, 0. Understood, children? Coming to the smallest number, which is the small? Can you put 0 first? No, you should not put 0. 0 has no value. 0 has no value. So what you have to do? No value means only 0. You should not write like this. If it has no value, okay? But if you put 0 at the back means it has value. So you should not get confused, okay? Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take the next number 2 and then you have to put the smaller number 3 times and then 5. You should not write 5, 5, 5. Okay children, 2, 20,000 and 5, 20,000 and 5. The same thing here, 1, 9, 6. So 9 is the greatest number. So I have repeated, see, 3, 9 and 6, 6, 1. Here which is the smallest number? What you have to write? 1 is the smallest number. So 1, 1, 1, 6, 9. Fourth one, 4, 8, 0. So which is the greatest number children? 8. 8, 8, 8, 4, 0. 88,840. And here again see, you should not write 0 first. You have to write 4. So 4, 0, 0, 0, 8. 40,008. And here only 2 number is there. So what you have to write? Which is the greatest? 9. So 9, 9, 9, 9. 4 times you have to write and then you have to add, you have to put 3. The same way here, 3, 3, 3, 3, 9. So 99,993 and in the smallest number 33,339. Understood? Don't get confused. If you get confused means you can write and do. Some other sums also you can practice and you can do. Okay children, yes, now till 1.4 all the exercise has been over. Okay children, what work you have? You have to send me the homework. You have to send me the homework. Will you do children? Yes, I am so happy for some of the students. Many of them has responded. So some are not responding. So you also, what you have to do, you have to compulsory do it. That is very important. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.